Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, in the Zoom app, through what we have done is up to the various types of energy we have discussed in the previous classes. Hope you all have enjoyed that class. Now, we will come to the next part of the chapter. So, the part that we are going to discuss today is simple machine. Now, first thing we need to know what is simple machine. Now, in daily basis life, we use various types of devices to make our work more easier and faster. Whatever we use in this particular purpose to make our work easier, we call all of them as simple machine. Like suppose screw, the inclined plane, the staircases, all these things are part of simple machine. So how we can define simple machine? Simple machine is a device that makes our work easier and faster. Now, as we have already got the idea of what is simple machine, we will discuss about few simple machines now. So, according to our syllabus, we will discuss about levers, wheel, pulley, all these types of simple machine we will discuss one by one. First, we will start our discussion with lever. So, lever is a simple machine that turns around a fixed point. So, if we are having a simple machine which has a fixed point and it can turn around on basis of that particular fixed point, we can classify them as lever. Now, to know more about lever, we need to know three terms. Those terms are effort, load and fulcrum. Now, what are they? We will see. The object on which work to be performed, that is called load. So, the load will be taken as the work on object what we are on to moving. So, that particular object will be classified as the load. Suppose you are using a nutcracker. So, you are using a nut to break it. So, nut will be my load. Now, next term that we have, that is effort. Now, the force applied on the lever to leave that work or that object, we call it effort and we symbolize it by E. And students, load we symbolize it by L. And what is fulcrum? Fulcrum means the fixed point on which lever, that particular lever can turn about. So that is called fulcrum and it is represented by the symbol F. So L for students load, E for effort and F for fulcrum. Now, depending upon the position of fulcrum, effort and load, we can classify the levers into three categories. That is first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. So, first we will discuss about the first type, that is first class lever. Now, in the first class lever, the fulcrum is in the middle and one side load will be put and another side we will give effort. Like in the diagram of the seesaw, suppose seesaw we are taking, So in the middle part, this is my fulcrum. This is F. And one side will be acting as effort and another side will be acting as the load. So as we can see in the diagram that fulcrum is in the middle and one side we have effort and another side we have load. So whenever fulcrum is in the middle, we call that type machines the lever as first class lever. To be more general, we can represent like this. In the middle we have fulcrum, one side we load that we are trying to move and another side we are applying effort that we can represent by E. So fulcrum if is in the middle, we call it first class lever.